Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum. I have another Hobby Lobby clearance haul for you. So, as I said in my last one, I did not find a whole lot of clearance stuff at my local one. I found most of the stickers when I was on vacation, but I went to I have two, and they're like equal distances apart in opposite directions. So I went to one, and they finally had some. And I'm gonna share with you what I found. There was a lot of repeat. I didn't necessarily. There was a couple things I bought that I had already previously purchased because I only had one or two of them, and thought I would pick up another one. Anyway, we're just gonna get into it. My local one, this is all the paper I could find. I don't know if the paper was just kind of picked over or they just didn't have a whole lot of the clearance ones to mark down to begin with, because I was really looking for more of the cowgirl if I could get some. I mean, I have a new 6x6 in a decent portion of the big one, but I would love to get it again. So I might have to go to the other one and see if they've marked stuff down yet. Again, not necessarily needed, but I do like the cowgirl paper pad, so if I could find it, I would. I got the 6x6 pickleball. I've already purchased this, but I actually really like the paper in it. It's pretty cute. I'm just gonna do a quick flip. So even the ones that don't have pickleball stuff, they're really cute for $1.49. I've used some of this when I was doing St. Patrick's Day crafting, but the pink and the green together are really cute. But I have been asked to make a couple little pickleball albums for a friend so that she can give them out for Christmas gifts this coming year. So I have a while. So why not pick up some more? I also picked up the kit so I'd have some extra stickers and ephemera bits. I think I do have some 3D stickers, so I didn't they did have the sticker stuff on clearance, but I've already picked it up, so I'm not going to pick it up again. $1.74 for the paper kits. This is everything that's in the pickleball one. So even if I'll use the alphas for sure. I will definitely use these two pieces, the checkered and the bows. So even if I didn't use anything else, I mean, I could always use the flowers, the tumblers, so even if I didn't use the pickleball stuff, these I can definitely use. These, so there are things that are not necessarily pickleball that I could use, which makes the value of it okay. I also did pick up the big one because, again, I am making some albums, so I did not have a big one of this, so I probably would have purchased this anyway. This was a $3.24. I'm not gonna flip through them. I know plenty of people have already flipped through these. I will link. I know that Shenita, who has planned to play, has gone through this next paper pad, and I don't know if she got pickleball or not. And also Lisa, who is Leave It to Lisa Crafts. I'll link both of them down below so you can check out theirs if you want a complete flip through. Usually I will, but again, I'm pretty sure these have been flipped through. Oh, I just picked up one sheet of that paper. But this one is one I was looking for. Shenita had me looking for a couple other ones to see if I could get them, and I couldn't. Like, these were the only two paper pads they had. They had a ton of pickleball. This was the last one of this one, and that's it. They didn't have any of the other collection kits, nothing. So this one is really cute. I do have boys, so I should be able to do something with this. I could make a couple albums, but some of them are really cute. Do a quick flip. I really like this. Doesn't necessarily have to be, I don't know, little kid, but my kids were definitely game players, dinosaur lovers, all that stuff. So I should be able to make some cool albums, or even some just cool layouts to add to their books. They each have a scrapbook, but I can always add to it. I mean, I have so many pictures that I can be adding to it forever. So that was it on papers. They did have some yarn on clearance. You really had to kind of look through because it was mixed in like all the other yarn, but I did notice quite a few little orange stickers. I did get this red because I like to use yarn within tassel when I'm making the salt shaker tassels, just to give it some extra texture and stuff like that. Red is probably the color I use the most, reds and pinks. They didn't have any pink in this, but they found red. But if you are looking for yarn, they did have a lot of yarn on clearance, but most of it was like kind of regular. Again, I'm looking for something that has a different texture, stuff like that. I also found these over in that section. What I'm going to do with these, I don't know, but they were hot pink and they were only 24 cents. And I was like, I'm going to do something with them. I don't know what, but I was compelled to purchase this. They had all colors on clearance, I think maybe except for white. Maybe they were keeping white. So I just grabbed the pink because if I'm going to do anything with it, pink will be the color I use. So I did purchase a couple things that were not like clearance pricing. I got this little punch needle kit because it was cherries and I thought it was cool. I haven't gotten into punch needling, but I like watching videos on it. So I got this and I got a punch needle. Let's see where that is. See the kit. So they do have a more expensive one. I just got the cheaper one. Again, if this is really crap, then I'll go get the other one. But these were pretty inexpensive, and I was like, oh, this would be a fun little summer craft to do when I'm bored. And then I did purchase these. These were not on clearance, but they were the 40% off. I had thought that I had already purchased these, and maybe I have, but I cannot find them anywhere. But I have like all the other like collection kits, paper pads and stuff like that, and I wanted these for journaling and stuff like that. So I finally purchased or repurchased. I also picked up this sticker book. I have quite a few of the other ones, but this one was seasonal floral, and I thought that I would use this often in my journaling. So I'll just do a quick flip of this. I liked this one because, like I said, I had all the seasons and it was foiled. And I like that they have like paper and clear stickers. So I just really liked the colors of these ones. I thought they were really cute. And I liked that they had a little bit of every season. So if I don't necessarily use them in my journaling, I'll probably use them in my planners. They're just too cute. I've been eyeballing this one for a minute and I just haven't purchased, so I really love that foiled polka dot. There's summer ones, which I'll definitely be using. Look how sweet these are. So cute. 4th of July. More summer. Look at the Halloween one. I just liked the color, like they're not all traditional seasonal colors, so I liked that. And again, I've been eyeballing this and I just haven't purchased it yet, so finally just did it. Love these Christmas colors. This one's a little bit more traditional, obviously, but I like when they mix some pinks, especially bright pinks in here. Look how cute that is. Love it. Even have some happy birthday stuff, which is always good. Look at these little houses and a bookstore. Oh, so cute. See, I'd definitely be able to use these. Don't know if I'll use those words often, but the rest of it I will. So there's that. The rest is all clearance stickers. I found this mermaid one. I thought this was kind of cute. 74 cents. I think I do have this mermaid collection kit in my stash, so picked up a couple of the nutcrackers because I haven't seen this. I have like the 3D like chipboard. No, they're not really chipboard. They're more like poster board kind of stickers. So I picked up pink ones. I seen Tina, who is Tina Craft Greats, haul the lighthouses, so I was super happy to find the lighthouses as well. We do like lighthouses. I found a couple of these snowmen. They're like, see, I've gotten the nutcrackers that are like this. So I got those. I don't remember who I seen. I think it was Lisa. I seen haul these. But look how fun these little travel stickers are. I was able to find 2 of those, so I picked them up. You do get 2 of each one in here. I didn't get the normal patch ones. They did have the other patches, like patch die cut stickers on clearance, but I didn't really care for those, but I really like the travel ones. So got those. Found these ski ones. They're like Coastal Cowgirl, which I really like. I found these black and white florals. They're really pretty. I found more of the crafty stickers. I had only found one, but I found a bunch more, so I picked up 2 more. These ones, I feel like I might have one of these in my stash somewhere, but I picked up 2 more of those. I picked up, so they have regular patches. Maybe, no, I think they have some regular ones that are like flowers, smiley faces, peace signs, and stuff like that. I didn't pick up those ones, but I did pick up the birthday ones, so they're still like the faux patch. But I was like, oh, these will be easy to throw together a birthday card or something like that if I need to. On the fast, it's already done for you. Found another of the gingerbreads. I only found one of these, and I wasn't really keen on this because I've seen these before and I've eyeballed them. They're little coffee cups, but they're puffy. But this one always looks like it's like misprint or just rubbing off. But I think that I could just put another sticker on top of that if I really wanted to. I found these poinsettias that are glitter. I found these Christmas ones. I only picked up one of each because I didn't know. And you get 2 sheets of each anyway. These little travel ones. I feel like I might possibly have these in my stash as well, but they're cute. And then this is just kind of Christmas sentiments. I seen Tina haul these as well, which are like camping, adventure. We used to be big campers. Haven't really camped much in a few years, actually quite a few years. But we do like hiking, biking. We are big outdoorsy people. My boys are as well. These were not on clearance, but I did pick up these pink alphas. They were still 40% off. And then I found these little pet stickers. These were really cute. So you get the puffy, and then you get like the glossy, and then some flat ones. How cute. And then I found some buttons. I didn't go crazy on the buttons. I only picked out buttons that I thought I'd actually use because I don't use them very often, but it is summer. These flip-flops are really cute. You can easily cut these off with wire snips, and you can cut off these pieces. Sometimes like these 2 layers will come off if you cut this off, but you can just glue them together. And then some little cowgirl hats. And I just got a few more things. They had this embroidery floss on clearance. I do like this. I usually pull this apart and will use it in my embellishments, you know, kind of like the gold thread. But I do use these, so I really like that you can get some different colors. So these were only 49 cents, so I picked up these 3 colors because these are probably the colors I use the most, but I have quite a few of the other colors in my stash. These were also on clearance. This is just like a little seam bind, like ripper. And I have some of these, and like I have a sewing kit, but I was like, oh, this would be cute to put just in my, how does this come apart? Just to put in my desk. Oh, there we go. So it's like a little mini size. I can just put it in my desk and still have it, because every now and then these come in handy. And then this is like a needle holder. So it looks kind of like a lipstick, but you put your little needles in there. How cute is that? And it was cute. It was cheap. I picked up this ribbon. It was not on clearance, but I wish that I could find a pink paisley print like this as well, but this will work. Cowgirl stuff, you know. And then I picked up this because this was on clearance. I only paid 69 cents for this. It's like a blue jean type of print, but it's not. So that is what I got at Hobby Lobby. I feel like I'm happy with my haul. I need to put it all away. I have so many stickers that need to be put away now, and condensed and stuff like that. But I'm happy with the things I found. I probably won't, like, unless I absolutely need something, probably won't be going to Hobby Lobby for a little bit. I'm kind of Hobby Lobbied over, out, I guess. But yeah, no, it is what it is. I wish I would have found more paper, but I do have, like, the papers I was looking for, I do already have. They were just going to be backup. I know Shenita was looking for the pinky, or it's a purple one, which I've used before. It's like a pearlescent purple, like lilac-y color. I don't remember what that one's called, but it's really pretty. I used it for a Bridgerton swap. It's so pretty. And then I think it was a Christmas one, but yes. So fun. I hope that everybody was able to find at least a couple good deals. If you like, so this is like, what is today's date? I think today is the 10th. Hopefully I'll have this video up within the next few days of me recording this, but I did find all of this like a couple days ago. So there is still hope. There is still some stuff out there. It does suck that not all the stores have to have it done by a certain time. Like, it's just kind of when they can, they have a time frame, which kind of sucks. But I'm happy with what I got. The bead clearance is usually my favorite time of the year. When they do the bead clearance, I always like, my stores do that real good. So I hope that you guys find some good deals, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.